Speaking during the official opening of the first Swazi Mobile Experience Centre in the kingdom's capital, Mbabane, the Minister for ICT Dumsane Ndlangamandla beseeched Swazi Mobile's management to adhere to the country's labour laws. The minister admonished Swazi Mobile employees to desist from taking to the streets whenever they are at loggerheads with management.
Sokungaba ngiko nje kusho egameni lahulumende wembube kokuthi bekunene siyacela kokuthi vele baqhubeke bente njengalokubenta kunemithetho ke nayethi 70 nako konke siyethemba kokuthi bayawuqhubeka bayihlonipha imithetho yelive balibambise live njalo kubalibambisile singathi kusasa sikhanze abantu sebabovu lathi italadini lokho kungumkhuba lesitawuthi nato ti-70 tingabese setiya lapho akube into nje eqina in fact kungabi into lesengqondweni yato ti-70 ukuthi nakukhona kungavumelani bese setiyawungena etitaladini asisho ukuthi yonke into leyawuhamba kahle into leyawuhamba ngekukhulumisana uhulumende wembube ukhutsata lokho kokuthi tisebenza timbambise Swazi Mobile ticabange kokuthi inkampani lensha le invested imali letinengi nabo bathole amathuba nje basemsebentini abaqhubeke bente njalo.
Swazi Mobile Chairman Victor Gametse informed the minister that their experience centre adheres to 2020 standards. As a result, their customers would experience a 2022 service every time they visit the centre.
But I would love my team, my acting CEO, just to show you around so that you can understand what's happening in an experience centre. Because I don't think most people are aware of an experience centre. So I would love my acting CEO just to brief you what's an experience centre, yenda ini, what's the value, the experience centre, lenda itola khona.
What we're trying to do here for the first time here in Swaziland is actually give people the real experience even before they buy. So when people come into this experience center, they'll be able to, one, experience how fast our internet is, be able to browse, download movies, and then really experience what we mean when we say the first world network is really here. So when you do come into this center, you can come in at a weekend or anytime, sit down, browse, play around, download movies, update your OS, all for free, so you can experience what our network can do.
Gametse also introduced to the minister Swazi Mobile's communications manager, Makford Sibanze. For Swazi TV News, I'm Linton Kule with Sibusiso Mbabane in Mbabane.